The FoodSaver FM 2100 vacuum sealing system keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer and helps prevent freezer burn. The built-in roll storage and cutter allows you to easily make custom-sized bags. Simply insert the roll and pull bag over the seal bar. Turn the latch to operate position. Press seal. Pull bag to desired length. Slide the cutter across to cut. It's so easy to use with a 2-step operation. To vacuum seal, simply open the lid and insert the bag. Close and lock the lid by turning the Easy Lock latch to operate and press the vacuum button. Extra wide sealing strips create a strong, airtight seal and helps prevent freezer burn. The accessory port is compatible with all FoodSaver bags and containers. To use, simply turn the Easy Lock latch to operate. Connect one end of the accessory port to the handheld sealer and the other to the bag or container, and then press the vacuum button. Keep food fresh up to 5 times longer with the FoodSaver FM 2100 vacuum sealing system.